Welcome to TPM Vid's Disney Beat Spotlight Series, where we take a look at a specific Disney-related ride, event, or performance. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video. We also have Instagram and Twitter. You can find us at TPM Videos. Remy's Ratatouille Adventure is the newest ride at Walt Disney World.
Everyone knows the best food in the world is made in Paris. And tonight, the coasters of town, Chef Remy, will deliver you a culinary masterpiece.
So enjoy this full on-ride POV of Remy's Ratatouille Adventure.
Voilà, venez, suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Oh, viens là, Remy. Les invités pour le dîner.
Yes, but what here? Hein? Pour le repas idéal. Coq au vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it! Poussez-vous de là! Vite, par ici! Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you. You? Everything must be perfect. Ego est en salle. Et oui, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous? Out of my way.
but you ain't this way. You won't go this way.
So, what are your thoughts on Remy's Ratatouille adventure? Have you been on the ride yet? I'd love to know. Leave a comment down below to start a conversation, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video.